Hello there. So I show you how to make a menma because this one is my favorite. Good snack, drink with alcohol. So matching the scotch and bourbon and sake. I love it. So you know the menma, right? So you can see ramen shop. This one is a topping on ramen. And this one is a very fat one. Usually more thin one, more skinny one. This one is a little particular. But I love this kind of menma. This one is cooking is take little time because the bamboo shoots menma, which was salted. It's too salty. So I have to cook and salt everything. Cannot eat. It's too salty. That's why this one just soaking in the water. I change the water many times and remove salt. So many times I'm change water, then soak in this like this, then wash and took off the salt. So I'm just soaking about overnight. So change water is 6 or 7 times. So it's not salty anymore. Okay, I'm gonna make menma today, my favorite. Okay, so I have to make a rich flavor dashi from kombu, and then this one is I'm always show you. So Kongo kezuri bushi. This one I packed already 30 grams. So this one is not katsuobushi. Katsuobushi made from bonito, but this one is made from mackerel, different type. So I love this one. So you can find so easy in regular market. Okay. So I'm packed 30 grams already. Okay. Then seasoning. It's shiro dashi, white soy sauce, and I'm gonna use this one is a little special. It's dipping chashu sauce made from soy sauce and sake and a little bit sweet taste of honey. So I'm just dipped in roast pork chashu. So I'm gonna use little bit. It's a chashu dipping sauce, about half ladle. Okay. So starting time, I'm gonna saute with sesame seed oil. Okay, 1 liter water and dip in the kombu, and I'm just wait to boil. I have to saute menma first. So this one is sesame seed oil, like this. High flame. Okay. Menma. Just like this. Already boiled. 30 gram Kongo kezuri bushi made from mackerel here. And got the kombu. Okay, 3 minutes. Dashi, everything in. a 1 liter dashi, boil down, and make a rich flavor. So come into menma. Because takes about 15 minutes maybe. So in this time, I'm gonna put in shiro dashi. This is the shiro dashi, 50 cc. And chashu dipping sauce, the homemade one. This one, chashu dipping sauce, 30 cc. Okay, that's it. Coming good flavor from this season. Just boiling down. Coming so wonderful rich flavor from this season. Okay. Still boil down. So you better careful this kind of condition. So boil down of a dashi. I guess 3-4 minutes. Let's do dashi here. I have to pour dashi in the menma. So still high flame. Always high flame. That's point. So starting time 1 liter dashi like this level. So now already past about 12 minutes. So still dashi here. See, more boiler. Almost finished. So this is a kind of like my original recipe. So finishing time is you better check here. Nothing, right? Nothing dashi, nothing liquid. So last part. This time is very important. Make good flavor menma. Okay, nothing dashi. Oh, it's timer's on. Good timing. Okay, finish. Okay, I'm gonna keep this kind of container. Put menma in. So let me try this. Still hot. So good. Real crunchy texture and juicy inside. So good. So delicious. So I have to cool down all things, then keep in refrigerator. So I'm just show to you my original method. You better find your way. But if you like my method, please try it. Thank you for watching my channel. See you another time in my kitchen. Thank you. Bye.